Let's create an action. Actions let you identify, assign, and track tasks as a team, whether you're capturing it during an inspection or creating work on the go. Once you add the key details like priority, due date, and assignee, you're ready to create the action. Once work begins, you can update the status here and use the Activity tab to collaborate and stay updated. You can also create actions during an inspection. Tap Action on any question, then add the details. Select an action type to show the custom fields your team needs. And blink a template when the task requires a more detailed inspection. And on the web, you can organize actions across the team using the view that suits you best: list, board, or calendar. Whatever the job calls for, actions help you get work done. Want to see more ways to use actions? Search Create Actions in our Help Center so the right work gets done and it's easy to track. To keep improving your workflow, head to help.safetyculture.com.